fucking brainwashed have you been in America for all these years? Yeah, we should put trillions into the military so we can bomb a bunch of fucking goat herders in Afghanistan. Yeah, we should do that. Wait, little Timmy's broken leg can't be fixed. No, we have to bomb these people in Afghanistan. Wait, it did 9/11. No, not Saddam. He had weapons of mass destruction. Wait, he didn't? But didn't they say, why did we invade them? Oh. Who made Al-Qaeda? The CIA? What? Fuck you, commie, shitty-ass German. I don't need healthcare. All I need is military spending and a bunch of fucking rockets, you piece of shit. Fuck you, German. America! Yeah!
He's on off.
I love you, my American viewers, man.
Okay, no.